Hello, this is Rijal. I'm the CEO of PC Financial. So today I'll be talking about markets recently as well as our market outlook. Now, generally, if we are looking at markets over the last couple of weeks, it's actually been quite volatile, and this is mainly because of the ongoing US-China trade tensions, right? There has been some mass demonstrations in Hong Kong as well, which has raised some investor concerns. But generally, I think the actual market impacts have been relatively muted for now, because investors are still focusing on the ongoing US-China trade tensions. Then also another thing that investors are focusing on is possible actions by central banks around the world, be it US, Europe, or the Japan BOJ. There's a certain segment of investors that are hopeful that the central banks will start to lower interest rates. However, having said that, I don't necessarily agree. I think none of the economies are in such bad shape at this point in time that the central banks will actually cut rates as of yet. But having said that, even the expectations is there in certain markets segments, and so if we have a meeting, a Fed meeting for example, and the rate cut doesn't happen, then there might be some pullback in markets because of the disappointment that the rate cut didn't actually happen. However, having said that, I think in the short term, because of trade war tensions and such, we will continue to have volatility. The trade war is not going to go away anytime soon, regardless of what Donald Trump says. However, on a more medium-term basis, US economy is still growing quite healthily, so is the rest of the world, and hence actually a lot of the companies' earnings growth remain quite healthy. So on the back of that, actually, I think the earnings growth by companies will continue to help to drive markets steadily upwards over the medium term, despite the more short-term volatility that you have in markets. So from an investment perspective, it's important to have a more diversified portfolio approach as you invest, because we will continue to see quite a lot of ups and downs in the short term. So with that, I end my presentation. Thank you.